Women love to take care of themselves and feel beautiful. That's why complete skincare is ideal for all of us who want to highlight our natural beauty and give more prominence to our skin. In this video, we'll tell you what you need to know to have a complete skincare routine based on your skin type and the order of the recommended products for each step. Let's first clarify the concept of skincare to avoid confusion. What is skincare? Skincare is the set of treatments, products, and routines you include in your daily routine to keep your skin in the best condition. In this particular video, we'll focus on facial skincare. What should your skincare routine be like? When it comes to taking care of your skin, it's important to understand its characteristics so you know which products to use. Here you can learn more about the different skin types that exist so you can identify yours. Remember that the most common skin types are: oily skin, produces more sebum than normal and always looks shiny. Dry skin, lacks shine, looks dull, and sometimes flakes. Normal skin has a natural glow, neither too shiny nor too dull, and is even. Combination skin has areas with increased oil production and others that look dry. With this in mind, you can now choose your skincare products. Below, we'll tell you what a complete skincare routine that works for all skin types could look like. Complete nighttime skincare routine. Micellar water to remove makeup. Soap to clean away excess. Facial mask to exfoliate, treat blemishes, wrinkles, and enlarged pores. Vitamin C serum to brighten and even out skin tone. Facial serum with hyaluronic acid to soften your skin. Retinol cream if you want to reduce wrinkles and treat acne. Eye cream. And moisturizer to provide the water your skin needs. Complete daytime skincare routine with facial wash, micellar water, or cleansing gel ideal for your skin. Vitamin C serum to even out your skin tone. Hyaluronic acid serum to provide extra hydration. Eye cream to hydrate this area and treat fine lines. Moisturizer and sunscreen with a minimum of 50 PA SPF. What is the order of skincare products? Once you identify your face type, it's important to choose the right products for you. Your skincare routine can vary depending on your skin's condition and what you want to treat. The order of application should always be based on applying the thinnest products first, so that the thickest and most dense products can be properly absorbed. With this in mind, let's list the order of application for skincare products, including the most common ones. Remember that this doesn't mean you should use all of them. This will depend on your skin's needs. Micellar water, facial soap, mask, toner, vitamin C serum, niacinamide serum, hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, eye cream, moisturizer, and last but not least, sunscreen. What is the most important thing in a skincare routine? The most important things in a skincare routine are hydration and sun protection. These two steps are the minimum you should guarantee for your skin. The rest of the steps will give it a much brighter and healthier appearance, but the essentials are hydration and protection. On the other hand, it's important to know your skin type. This way, you can use the right products to better treat your face. What goes first on your face? First, you should apply the thinnest products, followed by the thickest ones. In other words, the most watery products should be applied first, finishing with sunscreen, which is the thickest product. In that order, and after cleansing your skin, the first thing you should apply to your face is the facial serum, followed by the moisturizer, and finishing with sunscreen. What is the order in which you should cleanse your face? If you usually wear makeup, it's important to use micellar water to remove everything you apply. If your skin is oily, avoid biphasic makeup removers, which contain a percentage of oil to facilitate the removal of waterproof products. If your skin is normal to dry, you can use it without any problem. The good thing about the biphasic makeup remover is that it will make the arduous task of removing makeup from your eyelashes easier, preventing them from falling out due to applying too much force with other products that do not remove mascara as easily. Avoid using baby wipes as they are not suitable for the face. Instead, Opt for cotton balls or reusable microfiber towels, which are very gentle on your skin and do not contain ingredients that could harm it. We summarize the order for cleansing your face in the following list. Clean your eyelashes with a cotton swab and biphasic micellar water. Use a cotton ball to clean the rest of your face with this water. Wash your face with a soap ideal for your skin type. Apply your skincare products, starting with the most liquid one. What shouldn't be missing from your skincare routine? It's essential to have a gentle soap for your face that's ideal for your skin type. This will ensure you cleanse your face properly so you can apply the rest of the products you need to maintain healthy skin on a clean surface. It's also important to hydrate your skin. There's a common misconception that oily skin doesn't need moisturizing because it looks shinier, but that's not the case. Lack of hydration can cause increased sebum production, as your skin needs to get that moisture from somewhere. This is why not moisturizing will cause excess sebum production, not the other way around. How many times a day should you do skincare? Ideally, you should do your skincare twice, in the morning and at night. This will help keep your skin in its best condition and see results faster if you're consistent. We recommend applying more complex products like retinol and masks at night. During the day, you can apply other products that don't oxidize in the sun or are gentler on your skin. And don't forget sunscreen. We hope this content has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like.